All right, guys, so welcome to my journey here of getting into not only content creation, but a digital entrepreneur. If this is your first time seeing my page, my name is Roxy, and I'm here just talking about everything that I've learned in my journey about making money online and sharing it with you. If you're not already following me, you can follow me at Radiate with Roxy on TikTok, here on YouTube, which I'm hoping to create a beautiful community of like-minded women and be able to support each other and grow on our journey. So this is probably my third video that I've made on this channel. If you watched my last video, we spoke about affiliate marketing and how it is the easiest way to make money online for $0. And so I really want to couple that together with like, okay, now like, how do you do this, right? Because those are the questions I had. I was like, okay, you're telling me about affiliate marketing, but I have the link or I'm going to get the link, but like now what? The platform I'm about to share with you today is actually called Beacons.ai. This is a link that I use, and what Beacons.ai has done for me is that I'm able to link things to that store. It is very easy, user-friendly, and the best part is AI integrated. It also has AI integrated into it, and so if you're not tech savvy, don't worry, I got you. I'm going to make this super easy that anybody can do. The most important thing is teaching you how to use it, because I can talk about the program as many times. I can show you how it looks, but I think it's so important to get in and really show you behind the scenes of how you would set up a Beacons AI. So today we're going to set up a brand new Beacons. We're going to set up a way where you can host your affiliate links. I am going to go ahead and use my Amazon Associates just so I can show you, because I feel like that is something that you can grab yourself, is become an Amazon Associate. And the other one is Amazon Associates. The other ones that you can use, which are ClickBank and also ClickBank. And so I'm going to start off with either Amazon, and I just want to show you guys exactly how it works and what you can do. So now let's just jump right into this. Let's jump into this. Let's get into how you can create a link in bio using Beacons AI. This is my favorite platform to use. This is an example of my link in bio. This is where I host all of my digital products that I promote on TikTok, I promote it on Pinterest, and I promote it on YouTube. I promote this actually in my email marketing as well. Today I want to show you how you can do this yourself. It's so easy, and you can actually start using Beacons for free. The first thing you would do is you would sign up for Beacons. You can use my link below as well. It is an affiliate link, and you'll also have that same option where you can join and give this also to others, and you'll get a $20 credit free. When you first sign up for Beacons, this is how it looks like. You're going to go to the home page. It's going to have all your information, so whatever you put your name as, set up your link in bio. You can add affiliate products, create digital products, do email marketing, build your website, and create a media kit. So there's a lot of options in here. This is the section for analytics. Analyze your traffic, create an email. Beacons is free for you to start off, but if you wanted to go in for the pro, here are your options. You can go into a Creator Pro, which is $10 a month, and here are all the options that are available for the Creator Pro plan. Here are the selections, and you can just go ahead, take a look at it. But you can always start off for free. You don't have to upgrade at all, and it does have the AI integration. Now let's just jump into this left-hand menu. You have your link in bio. You also have your store. So I'll show you exactly how you can set this up and how you can create affiliate links. It's up to you, and you can customize that. This is your email marketing, and one of the things I like about email marketing is you see here they have templates for you to use. I love it, and you can update and edit. Here's some more FAQs. This here is actually my media kit. This is all of the links that are connected that you can connect with Beacons AI. I mostly just use the link in bio. Let's do this together. How did I end up creating this? You know, the background. So the first thing you would do is just go to header, and you can put it in your banner. I got my banner from Canva. You can do the same, or you can put, you don't even need a banner if you don't want one. I'm actually going to update and change my picture, and you can switch it to circular or rounded. Also, the profile picture can increase or decrease. And then here is where you would put in your information. Name here, so mine would be Roxy, and then just a little bio. So I put in here soulful living, lifestyle, UGC, Amazon, and TikTok creator, or I can put affiliate, UGC, and maybe what I'll do is hyphen this, right? Keep them kind of separate, and TikTok creator. It's very simple, very easy. You can change the fonts here. You can put in email. You can put in a section here for them to, your socials, and then you can change your gradient as well, sunny, soft. So I love the fact that there's like brand colors for you to use, and I've decided to just stick with this one. And you can shuffle it as well to your preference. So if I go shuffle, you see how all of this will change. So I'm going to leave it like that. It's so user friendly. It's so easy to use. You can customize and change your fonts, but I'm going to leave everything as is after that. And then now I want to show you guys how you can use this for affiliate marketing, especially when it comes to like Amazon and putting in your affiliate links. I would stick here to link in bio. And what I'm going to do is actually add a block. And then when I add a block, what I want to do is, let's see, if I add a link here, let me go my Amazon must-have or content creation tools. And then if I just add my link here, I can go to my Amazon here, and these all have affiliate links associated with them. And you can pretty much put in your affiliate link here, tripod or content creation. And then you would pretty much take a screenshot of the product right over here. You can take a screenshot of any one of these. So I've taken a screenshot of this. I'm just going to show you guys how it looks. Saved. And then I would upload the image. So you can actually have multiple ones if you want. So you see how this is changing as I change the layouts. So you can put tripod. I think I like this one here. This one's kind of small, whereas here you can kind of see it a little bit better, or we can just leave it like that. It's really up to you, or like this. So pretty much what will happen is when someone clicks on here, what will happen is, and this is a great way to pretty much link your Amazon associate links and direct people to your commissions pretty much. I think this is good. And I will go back. This here that is empty is just a store, so I'm going to close the store, and I'm going to show you two different ways of doing it. So here, as you can see, this is like all of my Amazon products. So when someone comes here and clicks on it, I want to just show you how it looks. This is how it's going to look, and then if they click on this page right here, it takes them straight to your Amazon link, and if they purchase, then you will make commission off of this. So this is a great way to literally start off and include your affiliate links here directly from Amazon as an Amazon associate. Here's another way of doing it. I want to add a block, monetization, sell from your TikTok videos. So this is really good, especially for me. Like I have a TikTok, I am a TikTok affiliate, and so sell your products with a shoppable TikTok, drag and drop the videos to rearrange. So I think one of them that I did was my toxic glass air fryer. So let's see where this takes me. Add a TikTok video. I can simply go to my TikTok here and copy link. Here it is. I don't know why it was so hard for me to find that. Enter a valid TikTok video. Okay, let's go back here. Here is the video, and then I would just like link this here, submit. And this is a great way to also have another placement for your affiliate products. So here is the TikTok video that I created, and I think I want to change the layouts. I don't know if it's going to let me change the layout. Let's see what happens when I click on here. And let's see how this looks. Okay, so it pretty much gives you the video, but it looks a little weird. Okay. So this is pretty nice. You can literally update this. Let me see. So I can just actually keep it on here from my TikTok shop, and maybe that's what I do. Okay. Add some emojis, and It's up to you to toggle and add the photo or not add the photo. I might not add it so that someone can just kind of click on it and see for themselves. Also, you want to kind of make your page a little bit more aesthetic, just like easy for someone to go through, so you can actually toggle and move these around. And what I like to do is I actually like to include a section where I would kind of separate my Amazon products from my TikTok shop products. So you pretty much have a lot of options when you are working with Beacons. And now, as you can see, they're all like divided. All right. I think so. Let's add another Amazon associate. All you do is you go to your Amazon. So I'm already logged into my influencer account. So let's go for boots. And these boots are not bad. Okay, black. So the black one. You know what? Okay, so this is good. And then what I can do now is go copy link. That's all I did. I went copy link, go back here, paste this, add, and then here are boot three. Or you can just take the description. Like, it doesn't even matter. You can go women's knee-high boot, literally. Just put paste here. And then for the image, you just take a screenshot. So anyone can do this. Anyone can literally do this. If you have time, anyone can do this. And you just set all of this up. And where is it? Here's the link. Accept. And there you go. So you can go Amazon and you can create more actual divisions as well. It's like my productivity planner. This is the quarterly planner that I use all the time. So I'm going to actually promote this one. And you can actually divide everything in sections. So maybe like lifestyle. So let's say do a block and then call this Amazon productivity must-haves, quarterly goal planner, and then got a product, copy link. So anyone can start this and you actually don't need any money to start off with. You can actually start this completely for free. Beacons is free. You can add as many products as you'd like and be able to showcase it and promote it in your social media. And keep in mind, you can actually do this not only for Amazon associates. I just figured Amazon is one of the easiest ways to do this because everyone purchases things from Amazon or products that you really like, and you can actually go right ahead and start promoting it. So, and it's actually quite simple and easy to do. People can literally come on your page from their phone and say, oh, you know what, I really like, let's say, Roxy's planner that she's always using. And I just say, go to my link in bio. It's all of my Amazon finds are linked in my bio. And you would just click on here. And when they purchase, you automatically get a commission. And so these are just good things to have in general. And don't forget, so pretty much you can actually use this also to put in your digital products. And digital products are like ebooks, guides. You can make them, you can literally charge, or you can make them free as a lead magnet. But this tutorial is really just to show you guys how easy it is to create a link in bio, especially with Beacons, because you can put in these links from Amazon. You can use ClickBank, you can use CJ affiliates, really anywhere that has affiliate marketing or affiliate links or aka affiliate programs. Do not be shy or scared to do this. Just try it. See, so right now this is literally my link in bio for my Sweet Soul and Beauty account. I'm actually going to just update this a little bit more so that it reflects the content that I'm making and that everything is aligned for me and my page. But it's super easy. The interface is easy, and literally linking it from Amazon to the link in bio is super easy that any one of you can really do it. I really hope the video was helpful. This was a really basic tutorial on how to use Beacons.ai. If you do have any questions, please leave the comments below. If you're experiencing any difficulty or any issues with it as well, just if you have any questions, please leave the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope this has helped. I'm excited to learn more about your journey. I'm just really happy to be here and to be able to help out For so long, I've wanted to create content and share all the information that I have trapped in my mind and all the things that I've tried. If you do have any questions, again, leave them below. And don't forget, I'd love for you to join my journey. And if you haven't already, subscribe, do the notification bell as well. My goal is to create one video a week and bring that out. But I'm super excited to be on YouTube and creating my videos. Bye.